Hello. Are you a healthcare professional or a pharmaceutical professional or a food and beverages professional? And are you missing on the most recent updates in your profession? Answer to your professional hurdle to achieving success is SymposiumGo. Continuous evolution of every domain integrating with one another is not only opening new avenues to explore, but rising challenges with it. SymposiumGo offers webinars, workshops for professionals and by professionals in form of live, hand-drive, e-transcript, and e-reply. We enable you to reflect, provide you a perfect escape to solutions, and achieve your professional goals in your comfort zone with just one click.